Hey, yo, people, what up? You're looking at me, your boy, NG, Unyuku Master. You know what's up? It's Friday night, always, we're gonna celebrate it. Yeah, what's up, people? Now I'm showing you my word. I wanna appreciate my Almighty God for making this possible. First of all, you know that? And also to my Megadon, my boss, my second man after God. It is Don Zubi Entertainment, for this award. Yeah, and also I wanna appreciate, it goes to TP Rhymes, what up, people? The what? The president CEO of European Award 2013 in Spain. And also I want to say a big thank and a big shout out to my fans out there too, in Canada, in Spain, in Russia, in Australia, in Africa, in Nigeria, all over the world, people. I want to say big thank you for you. I want to say big thank you for you all, man, for making it possible. I know without you guys, I'm nowhere, but I believe, keep doing it for me, and I'll keep doing it. I'll keep delivering with your encouragement. Thanks, people. Love you for making me your number one. It's your boy, NG. Mwah. Check me out. Rapata.